Wow, we're under this rock. We're like really far under. And it's kind of crazy. And this is like sewage water.
It's not. It's so clear.
What, did you drink it?
No. Look how clear it is. Like, look what it's falling through.
Oh shoot, I thought it was a pipe.
No.
Wow. How crazy is that? What? I should you want to taste it?
I mean, yeah, I do.
Go ahead. Just drip at first, so you don't die. Is it cold?
Oh my god. It tastes like you can taste the minerals, but it's cold. It's
Let me try it out. I'm gonna just put my face under it. This is crazy. Oh, maybe not.
You can shower in there.
Oh, that's some high quality H2O.
That's some high quality H2O.
That's really good. I kind of want to fill up our water bottles,
Yeah.
but then I don't want to
Okay.
get sick.
Alright, don't walk down the middle because that's where all the pool of water is. You gotta come back up here.
Alright,
Okay, you ready? You want me to hold the light or you?
yeah.
You hold it?
Actually, you can hold it. Just walk slowly.
Here, I tried.
No, you're good, you're good. I can see it, like, when it's pointed that way.
I was gonna say something really stupid.
What? Okay.
It hinted at me not needing a light and tape. Like, that I have bat eyes, but bats don't have eyes, so. I mean, I do, but not used to one.
Wait, I can't see. Alright.
Sorry.
What the heck?